Omurice Japanese fried rice omelette. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon vegetable oil for frying. ½ pound boneless chicken breast, cut into small pieces. ½ onion, chopped. 4 white mushrooms, sliced. 1 green pepper, cored and finely chopped. 4 cups Japanese rice, steamed. Salt, to taste. Black pepper, freshly ground, to taste. 1/4 cup ketchup, plus more for serving. 8 eggs, divided. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet and saute chicken until golden. Add onion, mushrooms, and green pepper in the skillet and saute together until softened. Add steamed rice to the pan and stir fry together. Sprinkle in some salt and pepper to taste. Turn off the heat and add ketchup and mix well. Set the seasoned rice aside. Heat about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet. Beat 2 eggs in a small bowl. Pour the egg in the skillet. Quickly spread the egg and make a round omelette. Place 1/4 of the seasoned rice in the middle of the omelette and fold top and bottom sides of the omelette over the rice. Cover the frying pan with a plate and carefully flip over to place the omurice on the plate. Repeat this cooking and flipping process to make 4 omurice. Put some ketchup on top of the omurice just before serving.